CapCut has a built-in effect that adds stylish, animated colors around your subject. Today, I'll show you how to turn a plain video into a colorful, animated masterpiece in just a few steps. Let's get started. Open CapCut and create a new project. Tap the Import button and import the video you want to edit. Once imported, add it to the track. After that, go to the Effects tab. Under Video Effects, use the search bar and look for the rainbow doodle. Once you find it, tap on it to preview. Then tap the Add button to place it on the track. Drag its edges to match your video's duration. With the effect layer selected, go to the toolbar and customize it. Size slider. Adjust how thick or thin the rainbow border look. Speed slider. Control how fast the rainbow doodle moves around your subject. Filter slider. Increases or lowers the color intensity of the effect. Texture slider. Adds character by giving the effect a more stylized textured look. Now, if you want the effect to show around your subject, but not on top of them, here's the trick. Duplicate your video layer and paste it above as an overlay. Then go to the Remove Background option and tap Auto Removal. It will isolate your subject so the rainbow doodle appear only behind them. Once everything looks perfect, preview your video. Once you're happy with the result, tap the Export button to save your project. And that's it. Now you know the secret behind the colorful rainbow doodle effect in CapCut. I've got a free step-by-step guide link in the description below. Thanks for watching and happy editing!
If you find this video helpful so far, please consider subscribing to help YouTube algorithm show my videos to other nerds like us. Thanks!